Accelerated Tooling, we came to be back in 2005, so we've been in business for approximately 15 years. We're a full-service CNC machine shop. Yeah, we machine a wide variety of materials, from aerospace materials, Inconel, Waspaloy, aluminum, stainless steels, tool steels. Also do a lot in plastics. Yeah, we machine a wide variety of materials. One of the things that our machinists like about having all Doosan equipment on the floor is the fluidity between the controls. Having all one brand equipment with common controllers definitely makes the learning process easier. We have 6 lathes, 7 mills, recently adding our newest horizontal mill. The RPS 4000 pallet system allowed us to machine some things we couldn't machine in the past. We can see our efficiency growing as we add spindle time and hours without adding manpower. Yeah, I wasn't familiar with Doosan until coming to Accelerated Tooling approximately 3 years ago. By and large, the experience has been reliability, accuracy, just a dependable machine. When we were looking to add new equipment, we did look at other brands, but decided to go with Doosan based on value. Accelerated Tooling manufactures the Torque Storm brand supercharger for accelerated racing products. On average, about 33% of our workload is for accelerated racing products, producing the Torque Storm supercharger. Based on longevity and performance of the equipment we currently have, I don't see why we would purchase any other type of machine in the future. Doosan's the only thing I've talked about for the last 2.5 years. I'm Gene Hughes in sales with Accelerated Tooling, LLC.